Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use loading straps. Moving heavy items can be a real challenge, but with the right tools, it becomes much easier and safer. Loading straps are fantastic for this, as they help you lift and carry awkward objects without putting undue stress on your body. We'll go over the basics, ensuring you feel confident and secure when tackling your next big move. Let's get started and make your lifting tasks a breeze. Before you even think about lifting, proper preparation is key. First, always inspect your loading straps for any signs of wear and tear. Safety is paramount. Next, carefully slide the straps underneath the item you're moving, making sure they're centered and balanced. Finally, adjust the strap length so that both lifters can comfortably stand upright with a slight bend in their knees. This setup ensures a stable and controlled lift, preventing any wobbles or slips. Now for the actual lift. Communication with your partner is absolutely vital here. On a count of 3, both of you should bend at your knees, keeping your back straight, and then slowly stand up, using your powerful leg muscles to lift the item. Remember to keep the object as close to your body as possible. This significantly improves your balance and reduces strain. Move slowly and deliberately, always maintaining control of the item throughout the entire process. Once the item is lifted, take your time. Walk slowly and in sync with your partner, always communicating about your path and any potential obstacles. When you reach your destination, the process for setting the item down is just as important as lifting it. Again, bend at your knees, keeping your back straight, and slowly lower the item to the ground. Ensure it's placed gently and securely. With these steps, you'll master using loading straps for all your heavy lifting needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.